Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a homeowner, one of the most important milestones you'll face is renewing your mortgage. It's an opportunity to rethink your financial strategy, potentially save thousands of dollars, and set yourself up for long-term success. In today's video, I'll share why working with a mortgage broker for your renewal can make all the difference, from getting you the best rates to simplifying the process. But first, I wanted to talk to you about the rate cut from Bank of Canada on the 11th of this month. The Bank of Canada delivered a Santa-sized 0.50% rate cut just for you in time for the holidays, bringing their policy rate from 3.75% to 3.25%. Most bank prime rates will fall to 5.45% at this time. Now, this massive cut will definitely help those with upcoming renewals, which leads us right into our topic for today. So let's dive into the key benefits of working with the mortgage broker. Now, let's go. Key benefit number one, access to more options. When it comes to renewing your mortgage, most people just stick with their current lender because it's easy. All you have to do is sign the paper and send it back. But did you know that there could be better deals out there for you? Your lender will send you a renewal letter probably 4 to 6 months prior to your renewal date, and that will come with a rate quoted to be about 15 bips higher or 0.15% higher than what is the lowest rate in the market that you qualify for. So as a mortgage broker, I have access to a wide network of lenders, so I'm not obliged to fit you into the few sets of programs that your current lender may have. This means I can shop around for you to find the lowest interest rates and the most favorable terms that suit your unique financial goals, such as having higher prepayment privileges so that you can pay off your mortgage sooner without paying a penalty. Custom solutions are also a benefit of working with a mortgage broker. So, custom solutions for your needs. As we all know, life happens, and your financial situation today might be very different from when you first signed for your first mortgage. You could have had kids, maybe you took on new expenses, started a business, or are starting to plan for your retirement. A broker can help tailor a mortgage solution that aligns with your current needs, whether that means consolidating debt, lowering your monthly payments, or topping up your RRSP for tax purposes to save you money at tax time. Key benefit number three, expert guidance and advice. Renewing your mortgage isn't just about the signing on the dotted line, it's also about the strategy. As your broker, I will take the time to explain your options, break down the fine print, and ensure you're fully informed before making any decisions. If you've worked with me before, you know that I have a very detailed process outlining your options using very lengthy spreadsheets, might I add. And I provide white glove service to all my clients, no matter the situation. As your personal advisor, I am here to make sure you're getting the best deal, avoiding common pitfalls, and also having access to all the numbers you need upfront to make an informed decision. The key benefit number four is to save you time and stress. Let's face it, shopping for a mortgage can be overwhelming, but when you work with a mortgage broker, you can get a one-stop shop. I handle the research, the paperwork, the negotiations on your behalf so that you can focus on what matters most, your time. Now, here's how working with a mortgage broker actually works. First thing we will do is review your current mortgage. We'll start by analyzing your current mortgage terms and seeing what's working and what's not. Step two will be to understand your goals. I'll work with you to understand your financial objectives. Maybe you're looking to lower your payments, or maybe you want to pay off your mortgage faster, or maybe you want to think about in a couple of years what's going to be coming for you at the forefront. Are your kids going to be going to school, university? Are you going to have a child that's getting married, or you want to give your child a down payment as a gift? These things are something we need to consider. So it's best to head on straight into that and understand what goals matter to you. Step number 3 will be to shop for the best options. I'll reach out to multiple lenders and present you with the best offers available. Step 4 will be to negotiate and finalize. Once we've chosen the right option, I'll handle the negotiations to ensure you get the best terms possible. And step 5 will be to sign and save. All that's left for you at this time is to sign the paperwork and start enjoying the savings. I also ensure before your closing date that you have the best rate offered by the lender at that time, just in case we can get you some more savings before your closing date. So, as your mortgage renewal date approaches, don't leave money on the table. Working with a mortgage broker like myself could mean more savings for you, better options, and less hassle. If you're interested in learning more or want a free consultation, feel free to reach out. I'd love to help you renew your mortgage with confidence. Unlike at the bank, you're not just a number to me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this with anyone who might be renewing their mortgage soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.